Welcome. This is Waec here, 2018 Commerce Past Question. Question number 47 says, the purpose of commercialization is to dash. That is, commercialization is dash. When we talk of commercialization, is synonymous to privatization concept. So now, what is the essence of commercializing firm or company, and so on and so forth? A, encourage the participation of the private sector. B, make state-owned firms more efficient. C, encourage the flow of foreign capital. D, enable state-owned firms to pay tax. The correct option here is option B. Make state-owned firms more efficient. That is, the essence is to make it more efficient. That is, to make it good, to make it work perfectly to its purpose. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more